need a data guy who drives like an E63 AMG. Here's the reason why I think BMW owners are basically the worst. I was just watching this Nick Murray video where he drives a new M5 and he doesn't really like it. It's boring, and because that's the truth. Yes, it's fast. Yes, it's technologically impressive. But like, who the heck cares? It has no soul. Oh, I'm gonna spill this coffee all over myself. So I comment like, thanks but no thanks, BMW, womp womp, because that's exactly how I feel about BMW cars these days. Even like the M2 competition, it's cool, it's nice, but like they have not fixed the steering. In fact, was it Car and Driver who said that the steering was more PS4 than GT4? Like, what a friggin' line.
So good. I don't know why you'd want it.
Because it's a refresher, it's good.
Oh, you know what's like weird is that this tastes very bizarre when you've like just brushed your teeth.
Well, it tastes like mouthwash.
We're all done.
Drive away slowly, please. No excessive noise, no spinning the tires.
Well, looking for you, can't do it.
I don't think this could do any of that.
Good try.
Have a good one.
Right on.
Eddie, no spinning tires in your Type R. It's gotta be quiet. Keep it quiet.
Keep the noise down, keep
So
the noise
loud.
down.
So loud.
Valves open.
Everything's on, everything's on.
Run.
Running for it, running for it.
Oh no.
Oh no, another cop. They're trying to get me.
They're coming.
Double T.
5 stars. Before you call me a complete asshole for shitting on the BMW brand and its new fanboys, let's get a less biased opinion. This is what I think of when I'm thinking of BMW, and I think this is the problem, is that now people are like M3, M4, the new M5s. Yes, they're great technological cars, but when I'm thinking of the brand, this is what comes to mind. This is an E36 chassis with an S54 engine. It's kind of a track rat. I mean, look, I'm not saying you have to go build some Frankenstein Beamer to be a cool BMW guy, but what I'm saying is this is what the brand is about, and that's what's changed in the last 10 years. It's kind of fallen away from that and become like these cushy fanboys. And again, like, I have no problem. I think the new M3, the new M5 are very sexy cars, especially in competition form. Great wheels. When people just religiously follow the brand and they believe that BMW is infallible, that's where we run into trouble. To try to balance out this video, we're gonna head down to Wild Motorsport, the people who actually built this car, and do a lot of work on my BMWs because I love this place and I think this is the home of the true BMW guys. The other side of the BMW story is that these are the guys that really make the culture. And unfortunately, the culture has been driven by M marketing, where they put M badges on the X4 and all these garbage soft cars. But guess what? This is the real culture of BMW. By no means do I think the BMW brand is dead. But I do think it's time for us as owners and lovers of the brand to make sure that they're gonna put good steering, good brakes, good engines in these cars again, and not just sell to the mass market for the cash. It may be blasphemy to talk about the brand this way, but I think it's important that the people who are actually lovers of the brand talk about what they don't like about its current direction. And what I miss are cars that were raw, that feel amazing, that respond to the driver, rather than just cars that satisfy some numbers and make the sale. Let's ask for more. Less PS4, more GT4. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one. The lunch vlog just got way better because they just gave us all these free ribs. Blue ribbon and denim.
Yeah, the best.
Good idea. It's dirt cheap too, especially when they give you free stuff.